These people from the FlashDry store had sent me this mat to review. Check it out and see. I've used similar stuff in the past. Brand name. I guess FlashDry is brand name. But anyway, I got the white stuff here, and this isn't actually regular mat that you'd find in the auto parts store or whatever. This is the marine grade mat. So what it does, the idea is that you put this in oily water, and this isn't going to absorb the water, but it will absorb the oil out of the water. So neat in and of itself. But I'm not using it for that, so let me show you what I use it for. I like using this white stuff because it's still oil absorbent and it's lint free. So if you're laying out engine components on there, you know, you're not going to be covering stuff with lint like you would in some other stuff. So if you take these, white color helps you be able to see a little bit better if you're dealing with smaller stuff like those wrist pin clips or keys or whatever else you'd be putting together. And it just works out neat that way. And they are oil absorbent, but they're also waterproof. Not that that matter in my situation, but that's why I got them, because they're white in color. They have many different varieties of this stuff as far as intended purpose. So I'd just like to say thanks, guys at FlashDry. I appreciate it. Stuff's going to come in handy. Getting ready to put this BMW back together. And it's nice to have this stuff laid out.